Hi, welcome to WeTravel. Today I will show you an easy way to set up payment plans so your participants can pay in installments and get reminded every time a payment is due. If you would like your payment plan to be available for all participants, you can do so in the Trip Builder. Or if you have an existing one, you can edit your trip. Under the Pricing tab, set your full price and select Yes to collecting a deposit. Click Add a Payment Plan, set how many installments you want and select the due dates. Check Allow Partial Payment if you want your participants to pay any amount until the trip is fully paid. And that's it! Participants will now have the option to pay in installments or pay the trip in full right away. If you only want a payment plan to be added to one participant, you can do so by going to the trip they booked under the My Trips dashboard. Click on Manage Trip and select Add Payment Plan. Define how many installments you want and when they are due. Once you click Save Plan, the participant will automatically be sent an email reminder. WeTravel will automatically send these reminder emails to participants enrolled in payment plans. Note that payment plans can only be added if the trip departure is more than 30 days away, and installment due dates must be at least 7 days apart. Any more questions? Check out our Help Center and chat with us today.